In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma Frames and Autolayout. Let's start by getting into Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and opening a file where you want to work. Think of frames in Figma as the containers for your designs, like pages, screens, or sections that hold everything together. On your canvas, select the Frame tool from the toolbar or press the F key. You can choose a preset size, like a phone or desktop, or simply click and drag to draw a custom frame that fits the size you prefer. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can always resize by dragging the edges, and Figma will display helpful guides so you can keep things tidy and aligned. Now let's add some content inside your frame. You can insert shapes such as rectangles and circles, add text for titles or labels, or even bring in images. Just drag and drop them into your frame. If an object isn't quite where you want it, click and drag to reposition it. Figma's Smart Guides will help you snap items into place, which keeps your layout clean and consistent. If you need more than one of the same object, duplication is your friend. Select the item and press Ctrl-D to duplicate it instantly. On a Mac, Command-D works the same way. You can also duplicate by holding Alt or Option and dragging, which is handy when you want to space items quickly by eye. With a few objects in place, this is a great time to turn them into a structured layout using Autolayout. Select the objects you want to organize. These can be inside a frame or a selection on the canvas. Then right-click and choose Add Autolayout. Figma will wrap them in a frame that automatically arranges your items in a vertical or horizontal stack. From there, you can reorder items by dragging them up or down, left or right, and they'll snap into place without breaking your spacing. In the right-hand panel, you'll see options to control direction, spacing between items, and padding around the edges. Increase spacing to create breathing room or adjust padding to keep content away from the frame's borders. This makes updating your design later much faster. If you add, remove, or resize elements, Autolayout will adjust everything for you. And that's it. You've created a frame, added objects, duplicated them efficiently, and used Autolayout to keep your design organized and flexible. Save your file, and you're ready to build out more screens with confidence.